In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux ARM64 Desktop Edition on Apple Silicon Macs, including M1, M2, M3, M4, and even the latest M5, using VirtualBox. Yes, you can now run Kali Linux inside a virtual machine on any Apple Silicon Mac. For demonstration purposes, I'm using a MacBook Air with the M4 chip. But don't worry, the exact same steps apply to all Apple Silicon models. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have at least 40 GB of free storage available. Open your browser and head to the official website of Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on Download. I have already downloaded it, so I will not going to download it further. If you're using an Intel Mac, download the Intel version. If you're on Apple Silicon, download the Apple Silicon build. Also, make sure to download the VirtualBox extension pack, we'll need that later. Next, open a new tab and go to the official Kali Linux website. At the time of this video, Kali 2025 is the latest version. Select Apple Silicon ARM64 and download the standard installer image. Once everything is downloaded, place all the files into a single folder for easier access. Now double-click the VirtualBox DMG file. Inside, double-click the PKG installer to begin installation. Click Continue, choose Install for all users of this computer, and then click Install. Enter your administrator password when prompted. Once VirtualBox is installed, double-click the extension pack file and install it as well. After installation completes, close VirtualBox completely and then reopen it. Now it's time to create your Kali virtual machine. Click on New. Give your virtual machine a name and choose the folder where you want the VM files to be stored. Set type Linux. Subtype Debian. Version Debian ARM64-bit. Click Hardware. Allocate your RAM and CPU cores. For example, I'm assigning 6 GB of RAM out of 16, and 4 CPU cores out of 10 for smooth performance. Make sure the EFI option is unchecked. Next, configure the virtual hard disk. Allocate at least 20 GB of storage. Click Finish. Your Kali virtual machine has now been created. To improve performance, select the VM and click Settings. Switch to Expert mode. Under General Advanced, set Shared Clipboard to bidirectional. This allows copy and paste between Mac OS and the virtual machine. Under Display, increase video memory to the maximum. Keep graphics controller set to VMSVGA. Do not enable 3D acceleration, it's not currently supported on Apple Silicon. Now go to Storage. Click Empty and attach the Kali ARM64 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Click OK to save the settings. Now the VM is ready to start, click Start. Then click inside the virtual machine window. Keep in mind once you click inside the virtual machine, the cursor will be captured by the guest OS. Press left command key to release the cursor back to the host OS. If the VM window looks small, go to View, select Scaled Mode and double-click the Windows title bar to maximize. Use the arrow keys to scroll through the options. Kali Linux installation. Go ahead, select the system. Choose your language, location, and keyboard layout. Set your hostname. Leave the domain name field empty. Create your user account and password. When prompted for disk partitioning, choose Use Entire Disk. Select the virtual disk. Choose all files in one partition. Then finish partitioning. After a few minutes, you'll be asked to select a desktop environment. Both GNOME and XFCE work well, but I recommend XFCE because it's lightweight and performs better in a virtual environment. Click Continue to complete the installation. Once finished, click Continue to reboot. VirtualBox will automatically eject the installation media. You'll now see the login screen. Enter your credentials, and welcome to Kali Linux. The first thing you should do after installation is update your system. Open the terminal and run the update command to retrieve the latest package information. This ensures your system is fully up to date. Install VirtualBox Guest Editions. It's time to enable full screen resolution and better functionality by installing VirtualBox Guest Editions. Command to install some packages. Then reboot the virtual machine. Currently, VirtualBox on Apple Silicon does not support 3D acceleration. This means animations and transitions may appear slightly less smooth since rendering relies on software instead of the GPU. That said, Kali runs very well overall on Apple Silicon Macs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or run into issues, drop them below, I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.